Hi, Steve with Brownells. In today's quick tip, we're going to take a look at how to remove light rust from your firearm. Now, every hunting season, every summer, whatever, the gun manages to get moist, wet, damp, you name it, gets a little blood on it, gets some Coca-Cola on it, something, causes it to get that layer of nice orange rust on it. What do you do? So let's take a look at a couple of examples we got here. We've got a very, very lightly sort of a start of a patina on this barrel. Let's see what we can do with just a little bit of oil and a rag. Put a little Croil on here. Any kind of oil will work. Or you can use Hoppies. So if it's so faint that you can just barely discern that there's rust on the surface, see, that's all there was on there. Not much. But sometimes all you need is a rag and a little bit of oil and you're good. Now, this piece here is a little more serious. That's got actual orange rust built up on it. For that, we need to go a little more aggressive. So I'm going to use some steel wool. Now, this is 4/0 steel wool, so it will not harm bluing, as you can see. I can rub it across this. It doesn't take a thing off. But it will take rust off. So let's get a little bit of Hoppies or what have you, put it on there. Doesn't take much. Wet it down. This acts almost more as a lubricant than anything else. It's not there to cut the rust off, although it does start to take it off, as you can see. So we go over this, and you can see the rust starting to spread and come loose. So take a clean cloth and see how much progress we've made, and it's starting to look like something. Now there's pitting here. That's not going to come out. That's there for good until you have the gun refinished professionally. But we did get rid of the rust, and you can go back with a cold blue and coat that if you want to. And it doesn't hurt to wipe the whole gun down. If one section is rusty, odds are you've got rust starting in other places. So just wipe it down with the 4/0 steel wool and oil, and then go back with a clean rag and wipe off all the residue. Once you've taken all that off, you get a good gun oil, wipe it down like you normally do, and you should be good to go till next season. It's really a simple process. There's not much to it. Prevention's the best cure, of course. Don't store your guns in cases if they've been exposed to any kind of moisture whatsoever. When you come in from a winter's day, you come into a humid kitchen or something, all that stuff condenses on the gunmetal, and it's got a nice coating of moisture. The worst thing you can do is slap it in the case at that point and set it aside to rust. There's a million ways you can rust a gun, but there's also a couple good ways you can get rid of it. If you have any questions about removing rust or anything like that, or preventing it, give us a call on the tech line or leave us a comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.